The cumulative frequency graph shows the journey times for work in minutes. So we've got the journey times, and here the cumulative frequency, and we've got that sort of Ogarth curve. Use the graph to estimate the interquartile range. And then it says more than 40% of the journey times are longer than 39 minutes. Is the statement correct, given your reasons for your answer? So the lower quartile is going to be 1/4 times 120th value. So that's going to be the 30th value. So when we find the 30th value here, we just draw on our graph and read off our answer. We're going to get an answer of 29. We need to find the upper quartile as well. The upper quartile is going to be 3/4 times 120, which is going to be the 90th value. So at the 90th value, do exactly the same thing, read off 43.5. You might be allowed a degree of accuracy on that. Then the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, so that's going to be 43.5 minus 29, which is 14.5 minutes. It says more than 40% of the journey times are longer than 39 minutes. Is the statement correct, giving reasons for your answer? Okay, so 40% of 120 is 0.4 times 120, which is 48. However, we require the top 40%, not the bottom 40%, so which is going to be 120 minus 48, which is the 72nd value. Get that point clear in your mind. You want the top more than 40%. So we need to find 72. This is where the top 40% lie, and read off, and then read off, and we get an answer of 39. Therefore, the statement is correct. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to interpret a cumulative frequency curve. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.